He's a good 8 inches. Good ice. Folks, right here, I'm gonna do a little bit of ice fishing today. It's, I don't even think we're above 0 yet. But afraid if I don't get out here now, the ice is gonna get bad soon. So, give her a go, see what we catch. Boo! A real fella. Good Lord, it's starting out good. Using grubs today. Wax worms, I should say. See what we get. Alright. Hole's already freezing up. He's a nippy. That go for a minute while I get some other holes drilled. Whew, workout. Like I said, I don't even think we're above 0 yet. It might be now. High noon. It's really nice out though, no wind. There's a southeast wind, but got a ridge here that blocks it. It's cold. My hole keeps freezing over. I think my nephew's going to come out and join me here shortly. I think I'm going to let him drill his own holes. That about killed me. I got to sharpen my auger. Anything in the traps? Huh? Anything in the traps? A little bit. You can go ahead and hack some more out if you want. How you start a hole. Wear your safety glasses. Yeah. So what we did is we went ahead and did 4 holes, kind of in a half arc, and the channel comes down through here. So that we'll try that first, and the channel goes on through. So sometimes they're cruising up and down. I know there's some cover right about here. There's a big weed bed and another one over here. So see what happens. It's cold though. Holes keep freezing over. Try a different spot. I don't know, I was thinking. I think those otters dug a hole under the ice through their den to get down into the water. Yeah. I'm sure they have an entrance. The chain station came up in the channel a little bit further and kind of set up around the bottom of this tree. Might be some crappie or hiding up in there. So it starts to get pretty shallow the further you get up in there, so it's not even really worth trying any further up in there, I don't think. So we'll try it here for a while, see what happens. So it's so cold out, we got to keep the ice off the top of the holes about every 2 minutes. He's frigid. Cracks everywhere. So Froggy and I were standing here discussing trapping just a few minutes ago, and out of the drain tile down there on the other end, two nice foxes come flying out of there. So I think we know we're going to set some sets, right?
Yep. They're dead.
Things you see.
You and Dad made me and Levi run around and scare the fish back.
Yeah. So people might wonder why northerners talk kind of funny. It's not where they're from or where their grandparents are from. It's the environment. Go stick your head in the freezer and try to pronounce your words. They don't come out right. Not making fun of you. I just understand. Your jaw freezes shut. You can't open your mouth all the way to make the words out. With a pretty high pressure system moving in, it might have to shut down. I think we decided we're going to call it quits on the fishing. I think we got a pressure system moving in that's got them shut down. So we're going to go start a little fire and make something to eat. So if you want to join us, hang in there.
That's crazy.
Just like that.
Let's turn up the paper.
Yeah, get pretty aggressive with it. Or you can do it there too. You just try to, and you gotta really whack it.
There's some members on mine. That's
a pretty small piece of flint. Dehydrated soup packs. These are those soup packs I made earlier in our video. The dryad mushrooms, jerky, and squash. Try it out. I got some little ham-flavored seasoned packets. A bit. So just to show you how well a wiki up will work, it is 12 degrees out right now. It's cold. I'm in You know, no jacket now, no gloves. I'm guessing what, it's 50 something in here?
Probably close to it.
Yep. Works pretty good. Only took a couple hours, a few tarps. Pretty easy shelter. And being it's conical, like teepee, it'll take a wind gust, whereas a lean-to or any other type of shelter will not. Guaranteed. And it'll probably be here for a long time. So, if you're going to build a shelter, build a wiki up. It's the only way to go. Bannock. This is from the States. It's bread.
Very much like this.
Yeah, it's pretty busy. It's hot.
What do you think? I'm trying to get it to cool off.
I got a mouth with asbestos. It's pretty good. Try with a piece of bread. Or bannock. Oh yeah. Well, folks, my nephew had to take off, go check some traps, go set some new ones, so I'm going to enjoy what's left of this fire and head back in amongst them, as they say. No, it wasn't too exciting video, but I'm glad you joined me, and hit the like button if you like it, share it, and hopefully next time we'll catch some fish. Thanks for watching. We'll check you later. Like a sauna.